Piece of advice I would have for anyone attending Western.
The piece of advice that I would say is
So advice that I have for future students.
Hi, my advice to the new students at Western is to study hard and then don't forget to have fun. And what I love about Western is how awesome the instructors are. They really work with their students and they really advocate for us to succeed.
get a good relationship with your teachers right away, and they'll be there to help support you through anything that you do.
Get to know your teachers and other students and enjoy the time you have while you're at college.
I would just say get to know people in your program. You can make really good friends that way.
Lean on your classmates and make good friends. They're really there for you.
Get involved in any programs or clubs that you can. You meet a lot of people and you gain a lot of experience and knowledge in doing so.
It might be overwhelming at first, but it gets easier, trust me.
Manage your time. Time is very important.
Stay ahead of your homework and it'll be less stressful.
I always make sure that I printed my schedules and figured out when I had to go and do the dates.
Don't give up. Even when you feel that you're not going to make it, keep going. You can do it.
No matter how frustrated you may get, you can just walk away, take a few deep breaths, and then go right back to it.
Don't give up when things get hard. Just keep going. There's always people to help you and to support you through your way.